Often in children's stories, we come across elves and similar little beings which help people. Do these beings really exist, and could they be a form of jinn?
So yeah.
There's one word which is not clear.
In the children's stories, they often show these little elves which make shoes and all this kind of thing. Do these beings really exist, or is it a form of jinn or something?
They're just tales. Such elves do not exist. Only malaika, according to the Holy Quran, exist, but they are not these elves. They are just tales, and they're counted as among fairy tales popular all over the world.